Are you looking for new makeup techniques? Tired of creating the same old looks? Well, in this video, I'll be showing you how to create a 1920s inspired look. Now, this makeup look is stunning and timeless. If you're new to my channel, I'm beauty expert Jane. I'm passionate in educating and inspiring others into a healthier, happier, and more beautiful life. In our studio today, we have a friend and model, Carly here. Hi. She's a singer, songwriter, actress, and model. And I can't wait to recreate this look, so let's jump right in. Now, in order to prep your client for flawless makeup, I love to start with facial oil. One of my favorite facial oil is from Seabuck Wonders. Now, if you apply this before makeup, it's going to go on smooth and she's gonna look glowy, radiant, and flawless. Ooh. We're just gonna gently massage that into the skin. And feel free to add a little bit more. There you go. Now it's time to enhance the brows. I love using my BH Cosmetics Ultimate Brow Palette. I'm just gonna take an angled brush and we're going to gently add a little powder to add a little more enhancement to the brows. Gorgeous. Let's go to the other side. Now it's time to carve out her brows. One of my favorite techniques, I like to use my 2-in-1 foundation concealer from Sen Organics, the Skin Silk Foundation. You wanna apply a little bit around her brows to really give her this crisp, microbladed-like brow. So watch this. And the key here is you wanna make sure you go right underneath the brow bone and blend. Beautiful. And then take any leftovers and swipe it right above the brow as well. Beautiful. And look at that. Let's move on to the other side. Fun fact, did you know you can use your foundation or concealer as your eyeshadow primer? I'm just gonna add a little bit all over the lids. Now, before we move on to eyeshadow, do you know you can actually set your eyelids with a powder foundation? One of my favorites is from Sen Organics. This is their powder chiffon foundation. It helps to absorb excess oil, which will make your makeup last all day. So you want to take your powder and just gently pack it all over the lid. And as you can see, it instantly mattifies and absorbs any excess oil on the lid. And let's move on to the other side. Now that we've set the eyelids, it's time to highlight and contour the eyelids. I'm gonna use my bronze and highlighter palette from True and Luscious. This is their Lucky Glow palette. I absolutely love this. They come in multiple bronzers, highlighters, and a blush that works for most skin tones. So I'm gonna go in with a highlighter color, choose whatever you want, or you might as well mix them, and we're gonna go right underneath the brow bone to really add some pop to the eyes. And look at how beautiful this product is. It's very pigmented and a little bit goes a long ways. So again, right underneath the brow and a little bit right in the inner corner of the lid. Now I'm gonna mix these bronzers and pop it right in the crease. And this is just gonna create a beautiful shadow and some depth to the eyes. Look how gorgeous this looks. Let's add some drama to the eyes. I'm gonna take my new eyeshadow palette from the Lip Bar, and this is the Fairy Princess palette, and it is stunning. It comes in all your neutral bronze colors and perfect for soft glam. So I'm gonna take the darker brown shadow and just add it in the outer corner of the lid. And again, a little bit goes a long way, so make sure you use it lightly and build as you go. And look at how that instantly adds some drama and dimension. And again, you want to focus this on the outer crease. Now, I really want to take the eyes up just a little bit more. So I'm going to take this smudge-proof eyeliner from the Lip Bar called Straight Grindin. And we're just going to add a little bit on her upper lid, a little bit around her lash line. And this has a beautiful metallic shimmer to it, so it really brightens the eyes at the same time. Now, since we are recreating a 1920s look, we have to do a fierce black cat eye. So I'm gonna go in with Honest Beauty's liquid eyeliner, and this is the classic black, and it really helps to define the lash line. So the key here is you want it really clean, very defined, and right above the lash line. Now that we're done with the eyes, it's time to complete her complexion. So I'm gonna use my Skin Silk foundation from Sen Organics, and as I mentioned, it's a 2-in-1 concealer foundation. I love this foundation because it helps to cover up blemishes, sunspots, and uneven skin tone. Go ahead and look upward. Beautiful. And what I love about this product, a little bit goes a long ways, and it's also buildable into a full coverage foundation, but it still gives you this beautiful, glowy, radiant look. And look at how beautiful her skin is. Gorgeous. And make sure you take time to really massage it into the skin and also buff it in. And look at how it gives her this beautiful, evened out complexion. Now it's time to set the face. I'm gonna use my same powder foundation from Sen Organics to help absorb excess oil, so make sure you're really pressing and buffing into the skin. And look at how flawless her skin is still looking. Again, it's buildable, full coverage, but she still has that youthful glow. Gorgeous. Beautiful. All right, one of my favorite techniques is highlight and contouring. I absolutely love this because it really brings out the dimension, and especially Carly, she has beautiful cheekbones. And one of my favorite palettes is from True and Luscious, again, the Lucky Glow palette. It has bronzers, blushes, and highlighters. So we're gonna take the bronzer, and sometimes you can even mix the two. And we're just gonna gently carve out her beautiful cheeks, and you wanna blend it all the way into the temples. And as you can see, a little bit goes a long way, so make sure you apply gently and blend. Gorgeous. Looking good. Now I'm gonna add just a little bit of highlighter in the highest points of her face. And another golden rule is look at the sun and figure out where the sun would hit first. So it's gonna be in the upper cheek area and on the bridge of the nose. That looks stunning. And if you want, you can add a little bit right above the lip and a little bit on the chin, but not too much. Stunning. So for the final pop on the face, we're gonna add a little bit of blush. For me, blush just adds this youthful glow, and I'm gonna show you what I mean. And I like to pat it right on the apples and bring it all the way towards the temple. And look at how beautiful, glowy, and bright she looks. Stunning. Now it's time to put some icing on the cake. I'm gonna take one of my new favorite lip liners from the Lip Bar, and this color is stunning. It's called Straight Talk, and it's a beautiful, rich burgundy red. Gorgeous. Press your lips together. Perfect. Face towards me a little bit. Perfect. Oh, I am in love with this color. Gorgeous. Beautiful. Looking amazing. Go ahead and press your lips together. Beautiful. Yep. Awesome job. And now I'm gonna pop on some lipstick. All right, so to really amplify the lip, we're gonna go in with my favorite lipstick from Sen Organics. This is called Sovereign, and it's a beautiful, rich wine red matte lipstick. So we're just gonna pop a little bit in the center of the lips and let it fade into the liner beautifully. This is beautiful. Go ahead and press your lips together. Beautiful. Gorgeous. All right, press your lips together. Wow, look at that lip. All right, so since you made it this far into the makeup tutorial, I have to share with you one of my bonus techniques. I'm using a liquid eyeshadow from the Lip Bar, and this is called Superstar. It is literally like liquid gold meets foil. So let me show you what that means. I'm just gonna take a little bit from a brush, and we're gonna apply a little bit on the lower lash line, and you're gonna see how this instantly brightens the eyes and makes it look so much more glamorous in minutes. Go ahead and look upward. Beautiful. Stunning. So as you can see, it just instantly brightens up the eyes, and look at how much more glamour she looks. Now it's time for the big reveal.
Ooh, wow. You know, I like it, but there's something missing.
Oh my God, what a babe. Totally 1920s. And I'm gonna make sure to link her info down below. And I'm beauty expert Jane. Thank you so much for watching. And if you wanna see more videos like this, keep on watching.